Yeah, yeah. Goes up, 2, 3, 4. Goes 5, 6. Take it tempo. Go up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, up. Goes up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slow it down. Goes up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stomach tight. Yeah. Goes up, 2, 3, 4. Take it 5, 6. Tempo. Here we go. Up, up, 2, 3. Again, go up. 5, 6. Arms out. Up, 2. Up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Arms in. Go in. Yep. Take it out. Go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. Yes. Take it in. Yep. Take it out. Go up. 2, 5, 6. Basic. Up. Cross your arms. Arms out. Up. Arms out. Here we go. Up. Remember, this is just a warm-up. Cross it. Give me 4. Goes 3, 5, 6. Bunga slide. Zig, zag. Warming you up. Go. Two more. Five, 6, basic. Up. Cross it. Yeah. 5, 6. Right leg goes out. Yes. Knees are soft. Stomach is tight. Here we go. Shoulders. Up. 2. Five, 6. Take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it up. 2. Yes. Take it down. Warming up your legs. Yes. 5, 6. Here we go. Take it down. 2, 3. Snake it. Up. Take it down. Go up. Snake. Hands up. Go. 1, 2. Snake. Add both arms. Goes 1, 2, 3. Snake. Take it in. Up. Let it out. Again. Take it in. Let it out. Right here. Yeah. Arms out. 2. Bring it in. Up. Heels it. In. Up. Arms out. Yes. Sit it back. Right here. Both hands. Left quad. Stretching out your right hamstring. Yep. Stretch it out. Give me 8 more counts. Goes up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, take it up. Shoulders. 5, 6. Here we go. To the right. Arms to the right. 5, 6. Now, sit it back right here. Up. Other side. Both hands. Right quad right here. Stretch out your left hamstring. Yeah. Hold it. Stomach tight. 4, 3. Now, bring both legs in together. Hands on your quads. Here we go. Roll your back up. Shoulders back. Awesome. Arms out. Shoulders up. Feel the music. Yeah. Give me 4. Goes 3, 5, 6. Last one. Hold. Left side comes up right here. Hold it. Stretching out your left quad. Hold it. Yeah, last 8. Goes 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Sit it back up. Arms out. Feel the music, guys. Woo. Goes up. 2, 5, 6. Yeah. Other side. Here we go. Right leg comes up. Balance yourself. Stretching out your right quad. Hold it. Here we go. 8 counts. Goes up. 2, 5, 6. Yes. Awesome. Take your legs out. Shoulders. Up. 2. Slow. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Arms out. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Drop your arms. Right arm over. Stretch it out. Over to the left side. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Excellent. 5, 6. Now take it back up. Left side comes up. Take it over. 4. Goes 3. And bring it back to center right here. Take your arms up. Grab your arms. Stretch it out right here. Hands behind the head. Stretching out your shoulders. All the way back. Grab them. Stretch it out. Stomach is tight. Drop it down right here. Shoulders back. Shoulders back. Shoulders back. Give me 4. Goes 3. 5, 6. Shoulders up, up. Give me 4. 3, 5, 6. Arms in. Go in, 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 in. Yeah. Heels coming. In, in. 5, 6. Now, right here. Take it in. Up. And let it out. Again, right here. Up. Let it out.